Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Friday, May 19th, option expiration. Looking at the markets yesterday, rebound and in the green almost all the session after the unkind unwind that we saw on Wednesday. The markets did bounce. We had the NDX leading the way. Imagine that, up 0.75%, bouncing back. The S&P was up 1/3% and the Dow was up 1/4%. Like I said, essentially in the green all session, which is important from a psychological level to have that rebound action. Also important is that the S&P made new relative lows overnight and came back and had a very positive close. And the S&P has filled in that gap. We talked about that from April 21st to April 24th. Came all the way back, backtracked to that breakout point, filled it in, and is now stabilized and moved above it. So that could be a near-term support to lean on. Gold yesterday unwound as well, down $5, and we saw more stock stability. And crude oil, the June contract is what we're still trading, was up 25 cents, hit 49.60 three times in the past week, unable to get through that. So that's a key resistance point to keep an eye on. So where do we stand here on this Friday morning? Well, right now stocks are surging. We're up 9 points right now in the E-mini S&P, up 27 in the NDX, and up 45 in the Dow as stocks continue to build on that rebound and reversal. So it looks like Wednesday was just one day of down, 1 day of profit taking, and now we see the markets moving back higher. The story of the morning is crude oil. Crude oil's at nifty 50 for the first time in 3 weeks now. Crude oil trading above the $50 level. Like I said, today's the last day of the June contract. Then we'll be shifting to July. Crude oil's up $2 on the week. That's about a 4% jump. So you can see how it's really built on that key reversal that we had a couple Fridays ago. Looking at gold right now, gold's up $1 at $12.55. Last week's close was $12.27. So more than a $25 jump in gold this week. Also, you're seeing the euro currency continue to drive higher, the dollar lower obviously. The euro's up at 112, so that's about a 250-point punch on the upside for the week. So to summarize, stocks are stronger, building on the reversal in the gains yesterday. We're moving higher, up 9 points in the S&P, up 27 in the NDX, and up 45 right now in the Dow futures. But right now, we're down about 1% on the week as it stands. Still got a lot of the session left to go, so we'll see how we finish out. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.